Paul, at Signal, you did a presentation with Donald. So is Donald's from Ireland. You're from Scotland. Very different places, but right next to each other. Fun accent on that talk though. But you did one, and you had created a AI avatar using Twilio, like with Twilio video powering the AI thing. So where do you want to start with that? I would love to like see a demo, or we can show a video, or you can share your screen and code. Where do you want to start?
Do you want to share the video I sent you?
Yeah.
And before we show it, I just tee it up a little bit. So what you're going to see in front of you is a photorealistic, meaning it looks like a person, AI avatar, and you can interact with it. So it can hear you. It will decide how to respond based on certain prompts that are given to it. So there's an AI LLM element to this as well. But there's a nuance to all this. I also injected emotion capture. So something you've got to understand about emotion and capturing it at different types of modality, right? So if you just take plain text like an SMS, right? It is incredibly hard to figure out what people call intents there, right? What is the intent or the emotional aspect of this? It's like, if you use the analogy of like you texting a friend, you can very easily get what they're saying incorrect because you interpret it one way and they're meaning it a different way. And that shows you that just text alone misses something, right? Now, the next step up from that is voice. So if you can capture tonality in voice, you do have that extra element. But again, there's still something missing, because currently what happens is all of that audio is actually translated into text, and still you have the remaining problem of tonality. You lose it, right? Now that might change with speech-to-speech models that are coming out. In fact, OpenAI has the real-time API, and they're kind of doing that already. And there's one or two others out there as well. Meta has their own. Anyway, they have like tonality in there, but it's still not like proper understanding of like what on earth is this person really meaning when they're saying something, right? So what video allows you to do is to capture that unspoken emotional capture from your face. Right now, it turns out my resting face is angry or confused. Right, so you'll see that in this particular example. I'll go from she actually calls out that I look angry, and I kind of get angrier because I'm like, what? Right. So the point of this is an example of a use case where there's something like this could be very useful. Healthcare in the US is very starved of staff, basically, or people, and nurses in particular have a lot of extra to do, a lot of bureaucratic just stuff that they have to do, which really could be freed up by AI. And with telehealth, you could inject something like this pretty easily. So the example you're going to see in front of you is a small health style pre-appointment thing where the health person is going to take some details from me. I can answer any way I like, and she'll capture it. And then she summarizes, and this is all just to capture details prior to actually meeting with a medical professional. But during it, you'll see I do some kind of wild faces, right? And it's on purpose for the demo. And she sort of picks up on like whether I'm happy, sad, confused, mainly confused and angry. So if you want to play it and make sure like the audio is up, I guess.
Yeah, it should be. Chat, let me know if the audio's not there, but I think the audio should work here. There's no audio yet, right?
No, it's just the pre-waiting room.
Hi, my name is Anne, and I am a virtual assistant. What brings you in today?
Hi, Anne. Yeah, I have a sore throat.
I'm sorry you're not feeling well. You seem angry right now. The next available doctor will be with you in about 20 minutes. While we wait, let's go through a few quick questions so I can prepare a clear summary for the doctor. Can you tell me what symptoms you're experiencing?
Yeah, my throat is a little sore and I'm a little hot.
Got it. When did these symptoms begin?
Yesterday.
Understood. Have you noticed any fever or chills?
I noticed a fever.
Got it. Any headaches, congestion, or trouble breathing?
Some headache.
I can tell you're feeling angry. That must be tough. Here's what I'll share with the doctor. Your sore throat and fever started yesterday, and you've also been experiencing headaches. Before I let the doctor in, can you confirm that Aetna is still your insurance provider?
Yeah, that's still my insurance.
The doctor is ready to see you now. You look a bit more at ease, wishing you a speedy recovery.
That's great. Thank you, Anne.
And that's it. And